Oh, it is on fire.
Nah, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nah, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nah, the saucy chef. She's Nah, the saucy chef. She's Nah, the saucy chef. She's Nah, the saucy chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making a very easy and budget-friendly meal. I'm going to be making creamy beef pasta. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2.5 cups of dried penne pasta, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 medium onion diced, 1 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, and also 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. In a pot of salted boiling water, I'm going to add in my penne pasta. We're going to allow that to cook for 10 to 12 minutes. In a heated skillet over medium heat, I'm going to add in my olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now I'm going to add in my onion. I'm going to let that saute for 5 minutes. Next, you want to add in your minced garlic. We're going to saute that for 1 minute. Now we're going to begin to add in our ground beef. I'm going to go ahead and break it down and make sure it's mixed well with our onion and garlic. Now you want to let your ground beef continue to cook until it's all the way brown. Once your pasta is done cooking, you want to reserve 1 cup of your pasta water and you want to drain the rest of it. Now you can set your penne to the side and remember the 1 cup of pasta water. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to drain it of all excess grease. Now we're going to add in our Italian seasoning, our adobo all-purpose seasoning, our garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. And your meat is seasoned all the way through. Now you want to reduce your heat to low, and we're going to add in our heavy cream. We're going to mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to add slowly, little at a time, some of our pasta water. You can go ahead and give that a mix. We're going to add in our Parmesan cheese. And you want to continue to stir it until all your cheese has melted. Okay guys, it should be nice and smooth and creamy. You want all of your pasta water added. Okay guys, you can turn off your heat and we're going to begin to add in our penne. We're just going to mix until it's well combined and our pasta is nicely coated. Okay guys, look how delicious that looks. Okay guys, so here we have it, our creamy beef pasta. So I'm just going to add some parsley flakes on top for some color. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?